Hello friends and welcome to Passion for Cooking. Today I am showing you how to make veg thali with 20 plus delicacies only in 1 hour. I will be sharing time management tips towards the end of the video. So basically we need some planning to achieve this in 1 hour. This thali has combination of freshly cooked dishes, ready to eat items and some dishes which can be cooked beforehand. Menu contains dal, chana masala, potato sabzi, cabbage fry, कुरकुरी भिंडी, जीरा राइस, पूरी, मिर्ची पकोड़ा, आलू पकोड़ा, फ्राइड मिर्ची, सिंपल पकोड़ा, कोकोनट चटनी, पीनट चटनी, गार्लिक चटनी, पापड़ एंड फ्राइम्स, कर्ड, ग्रीन सैलड, चना चाट, कॉर्न सैलड, रायता, शीरा, gulab jamun and mango shrikhand. Keep all the required ingredients handy. This can be done in the afternoon if you are planning thali for the dinner. Soak kabuli chana and black chana overnight. Boil black chana and corn beforehand and store it in the refrigerator. Keep roasted rava ready for shira. Peel the garlic in advance. Fetch the fresh coconut, cut it and keep it ready for chutney. Prepare peanut chutney and garlic chutney 1 day in advance as they are non-perishable. Prepare gulab jamuns 1 day in advance. Fry papads and fryams in advance and store them in airtight container. Now let's start with the thali preparation. Take 3 containers. In one take kabuli chana. In other one take potatoes. In the third one take dal. Wash the dal and pressure cook 3 of them together for 5 to 6 whistles. Take 1 cup rice and wash it. In another cooker, heat the ghee and add cumin seeds. Add 1 clove. Add washed rice and mix it. Add 2 cups water. Add salt. Pressure cook on medium flame up to 2 whistles. Meanwhile, knead dough for puri. Knead it little stiff as we are making puris. Cover and keep aside. Cut the onion and coconut for chana masala. Cut the onion, tomato and green chili for potato sabzi. Meanwhile, jeera rice is ready. Remove the cooker from burner. Heat the oil in kadai and stir fry onions for chana masala. Keep it on the low flame and cut the cabbage and green chili for cabbage fry sabzi. By then onions have turned light pink. Add chopped dry coconut and stir fry on low flame. Meanwhile dal, kabuli chana and potatoes are cooked. Remove the cooker from stove and keep fry pan for cabbage fry. Heat the oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, green chili. Stir fry and add chopped cabbage. Add salt and mix it. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Now coconuts are nicely brown. Add clove and cumin seeds. Stir fry and turn off the flame. Let it cool for some time. Meanwhile prepare coconut chutney. In grinder jar add fresh coconut, coriander leaves, garlic, green chili, salt. Grind it to make coconut chutney. You can also add tadka. Cabbage fry is ready by now. Remove it in serving bowl and garnish with coriander. Make the preparations for dal tadka. In cabbage fry pan, heat the oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, add curry leaves, green chili, stir fry, add the onions and stir fry again. Lower the flame and prepare dal meanwhile. For dal, heat the oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, hing, methi seeds, turmeric, green chili, curry leaves, crushed garlic, tomatoes. Stir fry and add dal to it. Mix it and add the water to adjust the consistency. Add salt and bring to boil on low flame. Meanwhile, the onions for potato sabzi are translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and stir fry. Using ready ginger garlic paste will save some time. Add chopped tomatoes and stir fry. Lower the flame and let the tomato soften. Meanwhile, peel the potatoes and cut them. Add chopped potatoes and mix it. Add salt and mix. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. Dal is ready by now. Turn off the flame and add chopped coriander. Remove from the stove and keep aside. Roasted masala is at room temperature now. Add coriander and ginger garlic paste and grind it to a fine paste. You can also prepare tomato based gravy instead of coconut. Potato sabzi is ready by now. Add some chopped coriander and turn off the flame. Heat the oil in kadai and add ground masala. Stir fry on low flame. Meanwhile, prepare shira. Heat ghee and add cardamom. Add roasted rava. Stir fry for a minute. Meanwhile, boil water for shira. Add boiled water to roasted rava. Add sugar and mix it. Let it cook for a minute or two. You can also prepare semia kheer instead of shira. Shira is ready now. Oil has started separating from masala. Add turmeric, red chili powder and salt. Mix it and add boiled chana. Add water to adjust consistency. Add garam masala and mix it. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, add some chopped coriander to jeera rice and mix it nicely and keep aside. Start with preparation for pakoras. Slice potatoes and green chilies for pakora. Cut the bhindi for kurkuri bhindi. Slit the green chilies and fill with cumin seeds and salt for frying. Cut onion tomato for chana chaat. Cut onion, tomato and capsicum for corn salad. Cut lemon and green chilies. Cut onion, tomato and cucumber for raita. Slice the cucumber and tomato and chop the coriander. Chana masala is ready. Garnish with coriander and turn off the flame. Keep other things ready before we start with puri so that once oil is hot we can fry all the items back to back. In one bowl, prepare mixture for kurkuri bhindi. Add besan, rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric, salt and mix it. In another bowl, take besan, add salt, turmeric, carom seeds and cooking soda. Mix it but do not add water now. Let's start with the puris. Knead dough once and start making puris. Meanwhile, heat the oil. Puris are fried on high flame, so we will not be able to do any other activities meanwhile. Once all the puris are ready, start frying them on high flame. You can also prepare roti or chapati instead of puris. Once we are done with all the puris, lower the flame. Add bhindi to the besan mixture and coat it nicely. Keep aside any excess flour. Keep aside for 5 minutes so that mixture is stuck to bhindi. Add water to make pakora batter. Now fry bhindi on medium flame. Meanwhile, we can prepare raita. Add curd for making raita. Add salt to it and mix it nicely. Add chopped coriander leaves to raita. Kurkuri bhindi is ready now. Remove it from oil. Now start making aloo pakoras. Fry on medium flame. Meanwhile, we will prepare corn salad. Add onion, tomato and capsicum to the boiled corn. Sprinkle some lemon juice over it. Add salt as per taste and mix it. Corn salad is ready now. By now, aloo pakoras are ready. We can remove them from oil. Start making chili pakoras all in one batch and fry on medium flame. Meanwhile, we will prepare chana chaat. Add onion and tomato to chana. Sprinkle some lemon juice. Add chopped coriander to it. Add green chilies. Add salt as per taste. Some chaat masala and mix it nicely. Chili pakoras are ready by now. We can remove them from oil. Now in remaining batter, add besan mixture from bhindi. Add chopped coriander, red chili powder. Mix it and add water to adjust consistency. This will make simple coriander pakoras. Start making these pakoras and fry them on medium flame. Remove the pakoras once they are ready. In the end, we will fry green chilies. Once they are fried, we can remove them from oil and start with the preparation for serving. So here are some tips while preparing this veg thali. There are so many items in the thali, so we can prepare everything only in small quantity. Take lot of oil while frying so that you can fry in bigger batches and you can finish frying quickly. You can change the menu in this thali based on the availability of the ingredients, but choose the vegetables which need lesser time for cutting and cooking. Also keep right balance between the easy and complex recipes so that everything can be completed simultaneously. For example, if you think bhindi takes longer time for cutting, you can replace the kurkure bhindi with brinjal fry for example. Do not choose veggies like bottle gourd, which requires more time for cleaning and cutting as well. You can prepare gulab jamuns in advance. Also, other sweets can be brought ready-made. Prepare only one sweet freshly, which is simple like shira or semia kheer. There are few types of dry chutneys which can be prepared beforehand. While deciding the menu, keep balance between the dishes which you will be preparing freshly and the ones which can be prepared in advance or can be brought ready-made. You can replace chana masala with paneer, but don't make both of them as both of them need masala and grinding. which will require more time. So likewise, with few tricks and some planning, you will be able to prepare this enormous thali in just 1 hour. Try to reuse the vessels like I did for cabbage fry and potato sabzi. This will reduce the mess and some of your after work. I hope you guys find this video helpful and like it. Don't forget to subscribe.